Hi guys, Heather Paris here and Claire Paris. We're here to give you one tip a month so that you can take care of your home in a quick and easy manner, just 5 minutes. So we have a lot to show you, so come on, let's go. Hi everybody, today we're here to talk about indoor air quality. It's not something that we talk about very often, and you're probably wondering why we're standing outside talking about indoor air quality. So one of the things that is a problem with indoor air quality is radon, and radon causes lung cancer ultimately. It is an odorless, colorless gas, and it is naturally occurring, and so it just bubbles up through the earth, mostly settling in your basement or in your crawl space. And depending on what the makeup of the ground is, it's going to create more or less radon inside of your house. Most people think of it as being something that's a problem on the east side and north side, but that's not actually true. I've seen tons of houses that test higher in radon on the west side as well. So to test for this when you're in contract on a property, it's about $130. It's a 2-day test. And again, this system itself would cost around $1,500, so it's not a catastrophic fix. And in essence, what it does is it pulls down, it sucks down on the basement floor, and then once it pulls that radon down out of the basement floor, then it throws it up into the outside air, and dilution is solution, like the electric company used to say. And so that is how it mitigates the radon in your home. So when you're looking through a home in any area of Portland, you're going to maybe see this white PVC pipe on the interior and then also on the exterior of the property. When you see it on the interior, there's a little, almost looks like a thermometer, and there's colored liquid inside the thermometer. That is going to be offset, not equal on both sides, but offset when the radon system is working correctly. Thanks so much for taking the time, and feel free to reach out with any questions and comment below. Take care. Bye.